enjoy the journey home as Melrose Sevens winners in 2022, 26 points to 14, and they're all going to congratulate the man that they've hired from the French side, Cervantes, who they knocked out in the quarter-finals, because it was he who scored that vital try at the end of the game just to ease any tensions, and the referee signalled the end of the contest after boards went in underneath the posts. And you have to say, Pete Horan, that it's a final and an outcome that we didn't necessarily expect, but all credit to the Army. When it was up for grabs, they produced the goods.
You're bang on. Like we said, we fancied Samurai. I just thought they were going to have too much. They had a lot of pace, but they had a lot of, power and a lot of dog. I don't know if